Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. This is Pokemon Masters. We finished hole 21 of the Battle Villa, and we unlocked a co-op challenge Nolan thing. So before we try that, I think we have enough lucky scrolls to unlock a lucky move. And we are going to teach that to our strongest character. I cannot think of anyone else except teaching this to Red, giving him a lucky skill. So we have 5 lucky scrolls. I don't know how this works. Let's learn together. This lucky skill slot is locked. Current level 120, required level 80. So we are going to use 5 of these lucky scrolls to learn. Unlock lucky skill slot using items above. Yes. Slot unlocked. And now slot empty. Use lucky cookies to learn lucky skills. So guys, we only have one 3-star lucky cookie that we can use, and this one used to acquire a random lucky skill that raises a sync pair slot stats. This one used to acquire lucky random skill that protects a sync pairs against stat lowering effects, and the other one, guys, is used to acquire random lucky skill that protects sync pairs against status conditions and certain other conditions. I think this one is still the best, to acquire a random lucky skill that raises a sync pair's stats. And with that said, I only have one 3-star crunchy lucky cookie. We hope this is good. Hope this is good for Sygna Suit Red. Okay. Learn lucky skill using items above. Lucky cookies can only be used once. Yes. Powers up attacks if they become critical hits. Oh my gosh, guys. This is perfect for Red, because Red has, using some moves can increase his critical hit rate, and this is just perfect for him. Oh my goodness, I'm happy. I am happy about this. Let's screenshot this. Critical Strike 2, guys. Critical Strike 2. Okay. You learned a new lucky skill. Critical Strike 2. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. And now we have Critical Strike 2. I think that's how you basically learn lucky skills. If you want, you can overwrite that by using another, lucky skill. Just learn, give him another scroll, but I will not do that. Because, you're just wasting scrolls. And anyway, the game allows you to check if you want to overwrite that skill, compare the old skill with the new one. I won't do that anymore. That's it. That's it for using lucky skills, guys. Lucky scrolls, lucky skills. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I will be doing co-op immediately after this.